Hey besties, let's make Haitian spaghetti with me. One of my favorite food. Like if I don't know what to eat, once I think about it, I'm gonna make it because I feel like it's really easy to make. It don't take too long. And then I don't know what to cook and then I'm hungry. I was like, let me think. I have spaghetti in the house and I don't want to eat the leftover of Thanksgiving. Let me just make spaghetti. And then one thing about me is that when I'm making spaghetti, I don't like to make the whole bag. I like to make a little tiny bag. My mom always said that it's people that don't know how to cook. I always make small food. That's not true. I just make it the small one because I don't really, people in my house don't really like spaghetti. It's only me and my fiance that we are the only one that mostly gonna eat the spaghetti. And then I just like to make small food once I know that it's only me and my fiance gonna eat it. I remove the sauce because I want to put some peppers in my sauce. I want my spaghetti to be spicy, and then I was gonna give the twins. So don't forget to like, share, and comment with the friends. Bye, bestie.